Also, big news as far as this is concerned amid ethnic violence, beg your pardon, in Manipur NDA MLA's passed resolution. So that's a significant input. The resolution to urge the centre to review the AFSPA. So that is the big development. In fact, the resolution also for crackdown on militants. Now, the demand here, the key demand is action against violence within 7 days, and resolution also against attack on the Chief Minister's house. Now, fresh violence also being reported, and after killing of civilians, remember earlier the NPP had withdrawn their support from the Biren government. So big development as far as all of this is concerned. One aspect amid the ethnic unrest in Manipur. The Manipur NDA MLAs have passed a resolution. Let's quickly tell you this resolution is to urge the centre to review the AFSPA. And more importantly, given what we're looking at, the resolutions also ask for a crackdown on militants and demand action against violence within 7 days. That's the breaking input. But as far as the given condition is concerned from Manipur, let's take a look at that report filed by my colleague Priyank Tripathi earlier.
Amidst the escalating tension in the state of Manipur, now the centre has decided to send 50 more additional companies in addition to the 20 companies which were proposed to be sent last week, which means that on total 7,000 more additional central forces will be coming to the state of Manipur, looking at the kind of untoward incidents which have been happening in the recent time. The tension escalated once the militants attacked the CRPF camp, which led to retaliatory firing and then killing of the 10 militants. A very cowardly move was taken by the militants by abduction of 3 women and children whose body was dumped in the river bed, following to which the MLA's houses and every possible important person's house was also attacked in the valley by people saying that the government have failed to control the situation. Then MPP, one of the coalition party, pulled out their support from Biren Singh, saying that we support NDA, but certainly Biren Singh has failed to control the situation, which was also countered by the NPF, which is the Naga People's Front, which has said that one person should not be blamed for this kind of activity.